India, one of the fastest growing economies of the world, the demand for energy is on the rise. A new era of progress, prosperity and self-reliance. NTPC, powering India to attain newer heights of economic growth. A story of vision, commitment, dedication and the Team India spirit that drives the largest power generator of the country. Established on 7th November 1975, the first unit of NTPC was commissioned on 13th February 1982 in Singrauli, Uttar Pradesh with a capacity of 200 megawatts. A humble but pioneering beginning, NTPC took on the challenges, providing young India's increasing demand for power to fuel its new industries, commercial and agriculture sector, and changing lifestyles of its population. The company was accorded the Maharatna status in the year 2010, setting benchmarks in power project management and operational performances. Today, operating from across the nation, NTPC is the largest power generator in the country, leading the nation towards self-sufficiency. Ranked as number 2 independent power producer and energy trader in the world, according to a survey conducted by Platts, the company has built an efficient and sustainable system of power generation. With a clear mission to integrate multiple energy sources, NTPC has ventured into broad-based generation of electricity using renewable sources of energy with focus on solar and hydel power. NTPC has today emerged as a power major with a number of joint ventures and subsidiaries. NTPC has presence in coal, gas, hydro, solar, wind power generation and coal mining. The reach has gone beyond our borders in just a few decades with the establishment of various joint venture power initiatives and supply of power to Bangladesh and nearby countries. Amongst the best performing power companies in the nation, the company contributes substantially to the national exchequer through dividend and taxes year after year. NTPC's excellence in operation and maintenance of power stations and result-oriented management policies have improved the efficiency of several underperforming stations taken over by the company. With its dynamic leadership, decades of experience and its vast pool of about 22,000 employees, NTPC is paving the way, partnering in the country's growth and progress for over 4 decades. The Power Management Institute was set up by NTPC to train power professionals to keep pace with the emerging technologies and prepare the sector for the challenges of the future. Regular training is provided to power professionals from NTPC, the state utilities and other power utilities in the country to ensure high-caliber performance. Guided by the mantra of people before plant load factor, the work environment promotes positive engagement within the company. Modern facilities ensuring high quality of life for its employees in the NTPC township with an effort to create work-life balance has consistently made the company one of the great places to work for. With safety of people as first priority, Safety Pledge is a part of the operational practices at all NTPC units. The company aims to have a high percentage of its installed capacity through carbon-free sources by the year 2030. In line with its environmental vision of going higher on generation, lowering greenhouse gases intensity, optimization of conventional sources, along with latest operational and maintenance practices, integration of latest and eco-friendly technologies have been carried out. Wide-scale adoption of supercritical, ultra-supercritical technology, replacing the earlier first-generation subcritical technology units, has helped in improving the efficiency of its power generating units. The ability to induct the best of cutting-edge technologies and integrating them with the balance of plant engineering has been the hallmark of the NTPC engineering team. Focusing on the thermal plant engineering, its traditional business, NTPC's engineering division has evolved over time to achieve excellence in engineering of hydro projects, coal mining, solar, wind and other renewable projects. Today, NTPC's greenhouse gas emission per unit generation is much lower than the national average. Through its Research and Development Wing, NTPC's Energy Technology Research Alliance, NETRA, the commitment is towards sustainable power generation. NTPC's commitment to the environment is reflected in the operation of the plants spread across the country at different locations. The plants are equipped with ambient air quality monitoring systems, AAQMS systems, to assess air quality regularly, to monitor and minimize the impact of its operations on the environment. Management of waste generated and safe disposal after effluent treatment has become a part of the operational practices at all the units. Production of bricks made of ash and other ash-based products are part of the sustainable energy mission. With these measures in place, today considerable volume of ash produced by thermal power plants is being gainfully utilized. Millions of trees have been planted at units across the country over the last decade. These oases of green have become a symbol of NTPC spirit, ensuring greener and healthier environment for its people and local communities. The results have been positive. Satellite imagery studies conducted at NTPC Ramagundam have revealed vast ecological gains. The forest density has increased by 3% to 80% reduction in wasteland. A decrease of 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in temperature in NTPC township has been observed as compared to the surrounding areas due to huge number of trees. Several of its lakes and water bodies today have been adopted by migratory birds, making these their homes for the winter season. With leadership comes added responsibility. At NTPC, business goes hand in hand with commitment towards nation building and community welfare and development. The objective is to ensure inclusive growth. The CSR programs aim to work towards education, health and sanitation, women empowerment and infrastructural development of villages around the plant. To make the community self-reliant and financially independent, skill-based vocational training is being provided through a number of industrial training institutes adopted or set up by NTPC. Under the Swachh Vidyalaya Abhiyan, a component of Swachh Bharat mission, NTPC has completed the Herculean task of building more than 29,000 toilets in schools in far-flung areas within a short time span and has achieved the targets assigned to it under the national mission. NTPC is also developing a large number of multi-skill centers and provide vocational training to over 30,000 youth to help them become employable and has allocated funds under Skill India mission. All NTPC projects have ladies' clubs which actively engage in various activities towards rural women and their health care. Blankets are distributed free of cost to the needy as per NTPC social responsibility. RO machines have been installed at several villages around NTPC project sites to provide clean and safe drinking water. Several programs have also been initiated to empower differently abled through rehabilitation and capacity building programs. The CSR unit has created employment for these people. The outstanding achievements and contribution towards the nation's development by NTPC, India's largest energy conglomerate, has been acknowledged with several awards in the recent years. The vision to imagine a viable future is the strength of the global power giant. A dynamic leadership supported by cutting-edge technologies and high caliber, working with commitment, dedication and pride, the firm foundations of the NTPC family. Nation builders that work round the clock to keep India energized. NTPC, transforming lives towards a progressive, sustainable future.